Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nerdy Nomi. My name is Nomi and before beginning this video I have a request to all of you. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and if you have subscribed yet then let's begin the video. Two sources have come out and stated that there are big problems surrounding the Batman, with claims that Robert Pattinson may have faked the coronavirus and that the actor is butting heads with director Matt Reeves, which is causing massive issues with production. Doomcock of the Overload DVD YouTube channel was the first to claim that the Batman movie is in deep trouble, with the Midnight's Edge YouTube channel confirming Doomcock's info through UK director and writer Gary J. Tunislifi, who has worked on movies including X-Men Origins, Wolverine, Blade, and who directed the recent Hellraiser Judgment movie. The gist of the claims of the problems and trouble has to do with Robert Pattinson not wanting to work out, which has led to a big conflict with the actor Matt Reeves, as Reeves feels the stuntman used for filming will look a lot bigger than Robert Pattinson, who was supposed to work out but has chosen not to. Regarding Robert Pattinson and the coronavirus, it's claimed to be a cover story to cover that Reeves shut down production in order to give Pattinson time to work out, who refused yet again. With it further claimed, Reeves now wants the Batman over and done with ASAP. The notion of the Hollywood trades providing a cover story for the studios is nothing new, as confirmed by Jason Momoa and Ray Fisher. It's also said that stricter UK COVID protocols may cause further delays in filming the Batman movie, and Warner Brothers recently gave Dune the October 1, 2021 release date held by the Batman movie and pushed back the Batman movie to March 4, 2022, which further suggests problems with production. Doomcock said that the Batman has long been known to be a troubled production. There have been multiple shutdowns, allegations of coronavirus infections on the set, whispers of problems with Robert Pattinson's attitude. In short, production of this film has been an absolute disaster. The Batman is in deep and may even be delayed again with another forced shutdown. Doomcock explained that the recent lockdown gave Robert Pattinson the opportunity to get into the shape, but that Robert Pattinson chose not to, and that sources filled him in that claims Robert Pattinson had the coronavirus is a lie. Doomcock says, "My source alleges that all of that was a lie, that Robert Pattinson being sick was a load of BS, a cover story to hide the real reason Matt Reeves wanted to shut the production down. When Robert Pattinson showed up for the first day of shooting, the director took one look at him and he lost his mind. Robert Pattinson was supposed to be working out during the lockdown delay, and true to his tweet of May 12, he didn't do anything. The director then decided to shut down the production, and he gave Robert Pattinson 4 weeks to go to work out and at least get toned. Obviously, if Batman is going to be fighting criminals, he has to at the very least be fit, and Robert Pattinson looked more like a junkie than a guy that rounds them up." Regarding director Matt Reeves, Doomcock sources say that Robert Pattinson recently returned to the set where it was obvious that he didn't work out and that Reeves wasn't at all happy. Doomcock said about his sources that, "We got some info last night. Robert Pattinson is back and during his absence he still refused to work out. The director has thrown up his hands and is just going with it. The two stunt doubles are so much bigger than Robert Pattinson that there is going to be no doubt that he is not in the suit. As Bruce Wayne, he looks like a stick. This could be a one and done movie. Robert Pattinson is a pain to work with. He whines about the suit, it's hot, it's tight, etc. At this point, the director just wants to get the movie done and move on." So according to this source, someone with the direct knowledge of the production, Robert Pattinson has ground director Matt Reeves down. Pattinson looks ridiculous in the role. The stuntmen are much bigger than he is, so it looks like Batman is going to grow and shrink throughout the movie. Reeves knows this is a problem, but apparently he just wants to get this albatross of a movie off his neck if these rumors are true. Doomcock goes on to offer that sources have filled him in that getting the Batman movie finished may be much harder than anyone thought, as the UK may shut things down again and is requiring even further stringent measures to be taken on set regarding COVID protocols. That involves limiting the hours, limiting the number of people on set, the mandate of wearing masks, and that if the protocols aren't followed, they could face fines and jail time. Doomcock now says that Matt Reeves and the Batman are scouting for places to continue filming and may leave the UK. Tony Cliff said that all I heard was that there were definitely tensions between Matt Reeves and Robert Pattinson, that Robert Pattinson was being quite difficult to work with. The person I had spoken to, they almost suggested that the situation was that because I said I hear you shut down due to COVID, and they said it's not COVID that shut us down. Then I said, oh, is it something else? I said, it is your lead actor. And they were like, maybe. Tony Cliff also talked about the rumors of Robert Pattinson not wanting to work out. And then of course I heard from somebody else that the rumor was that Matt Reeves was visibly shocked at the size of Robert Pattinson and that he was worried about his stunt people were considerably larger than him. So then obviously I looked into it, and the other rumors I saw kind of circulating were that there had been an issue about working out and bulking up and everything else. Gary J. Tunnicliffe did go on to explain that actors causing problems is nothing new, and he said that Robert Downey Jr. caused problems while filming the Iron Man movie as well as Wesley Snipes while filming the Blade movie. But in regards to Robert Pattinson sticking around as Batman, he made up the point of stating that if the box office is where they want it to be, Robert Pattinson will continue on as Batman. Tunnicliffe also said that if Matt Reeves is having those situations with Robert Pattinson, it can make for very ugly filmmaking, and the stuff I did hear was that was the case, and Matt Reeves just wanted to get the thing finished and get it done and get out of there. Alright everybody, leave a like to this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest updates of the upcoming movies and TV series, and comment your thoughts about this video, and I will be meeting you in the next video, but till then, bye.